my name is Philip Allen. I'm a senior mechanical engineer.
I'm David Kelly. I'm a junior chemical engineer.
I'm Shannon Lemmer. I am a junior computer engineer, and I'm actually the vice president of Engineering Student Council, which is the group that ran the pumpkin drop.
Hi, I'm Alicia Levy, sophomore electrical engineer.
I'm Liz Tyhas. I'm a junior mechanical engineer.
I'm Abby Buckenheimer, junior here at Villanova, and I'm studying mechanical engineering.
Our name is the Book Bag, and we are part of an entrepreneurial class that we're taking as engineers. Well, we started with wanting to buy dowels, so that's the long pieces of wood, and then we had a cardboard box, and then we blew up a bunch of garbage bags and filled them with air. And when we did that, what we wanted to do was use the dowels to disperse the weight. So we stuck the dowels through, made it kind of like a box for the pumpkin to sit on, wrapped the pumpkin in bubble wrap, put balloons underneath the dowels, and then put it inside of a big cardboard box. And it actually ended up turning over in the end, but we think that because it was a cardboard box, it created drag, and that slowed it down because it weighed so little. And once it did that, it got to the bottom, and the bubble wrap kind of kept it together, and we got it out, and there were just a couple cracks on it. So.
Well, we just wanted something that would make a huge mess at the bottom and be as vibrant and Villanova pride for homecoming weekend as possible. So we just loaded up with a bunch of blue whipped cream and figured that since it was very viscous, it would just kind of spread everywhere when it hit the bottom, and it did, so we're happy with that.
We just used what we found, some extra boxes, some packing bubble wrap. It didn't work that well, so next time I think we're just going to go for like the blowing up of it, because that might be easier.
So when we were like deciding on what to do, we kind of like had the idea of going for a big explosion, and then we kind of sat around in like round table, and we like thought about ideas, and then like rejected some, like saying like, oh no, like we can't do that, and like one off each other's ideas to make something that will will work, and will work well. I mean, she kept trying to improve like what as much as we could on like what our design was.
We did a parachute with a pillow underneath the pumpkin to cushion it when it fell. We did a little test run last night to make sure. It was iffy, but we went with it. It took us like 3 hours to put it up together, get all the supplies together and make it work.
Basically, we just wanted to go for the simplest design, didn't want to go try anything too crazy. We knew parachutes worked. Did a little bit of math to try to figure out how much drag we needed to hold up the pumpkin, and then based on that, we bought the size parachute we thought was going to work, and that was pretty much it. Just put the pillow there because it was landing on the concrete.
It went well. It went better than we expected, to be honest, but I'm a little sad that we didn't cracked on the bottom. I'm a little sad about that.
My pillow got a little bit
yeah, his pillow. My friend's sleeping on it tonight too.
We learned a little teamwork too. This was like our first big project all together, because we kind of came together from different groups this year. So yeah, we learned how to work with each other a little bit.
Well, we really wanted to incorporate some fireworks in our pumpkin somehow. So next time, maybe I'll clear it with the fire department ahead of time. They're right there, so if it catches fire or something, we're good to go. And maybe we'll make that happen.